down the highway, hella late at night. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of heights. We about to fly away. We about to fly away. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of winging. I'm about to hit, I can motherfucking feel it. I cannot take everyone, that shit is unrealistic. So I'm just gon' focus on whoever help me get it. Everybody else, please be ready for the call, yeah. It's gon' be some big and we gon' have to show them all, yeah. We gon' have to decimate the building for these folks to take us serious. Everybody here is cold, Fair Flames is the chilliest. Ain't no question marks, it's exclamation points and periods. Every time she wear my merch, it make her boyfriend furious. If we talking God flows, then I am the beerest. It's the Ultra Instinct Silver, it's the series that most riding down the highway, hella late at night. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of heights. We about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, we about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, riding down the highway, hella late at night. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of heights. We about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, we about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of failure. Cause that shit gon' happen on the road to making meals, yeah. Speak it and perfect it till one day you wanna build it. And that shit say so that when you top line on a bill, yeah. Everything is happening right here in the now, yeah. I just take it day by day, I don't know when or how, yeah. So I'm just gon' pop up on your city with the loudest. Turn up with my people, find somewhere to blow it down next. If you know a place that's hella chill off in your city, let me know and I shoot right on over, rock out and then roll up, let me see them lighters up. If y'all with me, if you got one, roll in like that dope up. If you drive, don't get pulled over on the highway, yeah. Night. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of heights. We about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, we about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, riding down the highway, hella late at night. Probably shouldn't ride with me if you afraid of heights. We about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, we about to fly away. We about to fly. Hey, probably shouldn't ride with me if you quit after losing. All I mean to me is you give up before you prove it. And that ain't no age, just don't